What's going on, everyone? It is your boy JP here, back with another video. You know we like to do our walk and talks, man. Today we're gonna be talking about running ads for your pressure washing or home service business, because really what I'm going to be discussing in this video does pertain to really any kind of local business, right? Because it's definitely a different strategy versus running ads for the whole United States, right? And before I even get into it, guys, if you do like videos that add value to your life just by watching them, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Man, that's all we upload. I'm here to fill your bags, make you money. Let's get it. So first things first, man, why you should be running ads, okay? And so there are technically different forms of running ads, okay? You can be running ads like through yard signs. You could be running ads through door hangers, right? Putting an offer on it, special offer, things like that. There are different types and forms of advertising, but the one we're gonna be talking about here today is digital marketing. Guys, this is the era for digital marketing, okay? I don't think there is a better time in history to be digitally marketing, okay? Because everyone's on their screens, okay? You're watching this video right now through a screen, through the power of the internet. And guys, everyone is on their phones, on their computers, everything, man. And so you need to be taking advantage of that, right? Rather that's just posting content out there every single day, or running Facebook ads. You can actually, you know, if you say, well, I don't run Facebook ads or anything like that, I bet you have a Google My Business. That's a form of digital marketing, man. When somebody looks up your Google, or if someone looks up pressure washing near me, right? And I'm one of the first rankings that come up and they give me a call, they got my information through digital. You know what I mean? So, man, you really need to be taking full advantage of these days because of the sole fact everyone is on there, okay? And so that's my first point, is everyone's on their screens, right? You know, that is trend now and for a long time, okay? Everyone's gonna be on their phone. And guys, if you don't know how to do Facebook ads, you need help with that. You know, you just don't have the time to learn, and you really just don't want to put in the effort. You don't have the time to record and stuff like that. Man, hit my link in the description. It's a little form. Fill out the form, give me your information. I will contact you and we can work out a game plan with your Facebook ads. I can run your ads for you, or at least build a foundation for you, and you can run off of that, right? But with my technique, it's tried and true. Man, I've been doing this. This is all I do for my business, believe it or not. This is all I run. I only run Facebook ads, okay? I have yard signs, I have business cards, and you know, there's like additional things that I give on the job, but all I run is Facebook. That's it. And it brings me business. Like, we literally just had a huge day today. That's why I'm still in my uniform. I'm like, man, I gotta make my YouTube video for the day. It was so busy, I didn't have time to record. So we're booked out for the rest of November. You know, December's kind of a little bit slower. It's always gonna be slower just because of the holidays and stuff. But man, it's tried and true. It works, man. It works. It's been working for me in my business, and we make good money. So if you want somebody to run your ads, hit the link in the description. Second reason why digital marketing is so huge right now is because these platforms have algorithms, okay? So just as you saw this video on YouTube, these platforms have serious algorithms to where they want their customers, quote unquote, even though, you know, it doesn't cost to use Facebook, or it doesn't cost to use Google or anything like that. Their customers, in which they have, you know, higher ticket advertisers advertising on their platform, they need to make sure that their customers are on their platform as long as possible, right? And so they have these algorithms that like to take advantage of that and make sure that they are pushing the right content to the right people. Now, Facebook in general, man, this is just from my personal experience, my personal knowledge. Facebook is a beast, man, because of the fact Facebook knows more about you than you probably, okay? Long story short, whenever you run Facebook ads, there's a lot of targeting options that you can take advantage of. And believe it or not, like, most of them are kind of spot on, like, really and truthfully. And, you know, and reason just to tell you why that is because when you go on Facebook, you're on Facebook, right? But what you probably don't know is Facebook does have a network of websites that they grab information from and run ads on, okay? So some websites actually don't just have their own ads running. It's actually Facebook funneling their ads through Facebook ads to that website, right? And they're all in connect, right? So if you have certain options turned on for another website, and, you know, it's able to get this knowledge, get this information from you, you know, you're filling out forms, this, that, and the third, that is in return sending information to Facebook in which they can optimize their ads in that way. And so that's just a fun little fact, probably a little bit too much more information than you asked, but it's true, man, that Facebook is super smart because of that sole fact that they have a huge network, and Facebook has been around for so long. Literally has watched people grow into the people that they are into this day. So they are jam-packed with information. So like I said, algorithms are insane. And the final third one, man, is since those two things are so prevalent, it's a lot cheaper to get results. Okay. So, and it depends on your strategy, of course. You can't just sit here and throw out Facebook ads and without, having the proper options, having the proper content and things like that. You cannot just sit there and throw stuff out and expect to get results instantly. Okay. You have to have the right strategy. And when you apply the right strategy, again, hit that link in the description. I will get your ads running, and I will build you a foundation, tell you what to do, and I'll get the ball rolling for you. But when you apply the right strategy, man, you can get leads as cheap as like $8, man, like $7. I've had ads get me leads at like $3 cost per lead, which is insane. When you think about the cost for yard signs, or when you think about the cost for, business cards and things like that, man, like, and the return on those and the effort you have to put into to actually get return on those, it's insane, the power of digital marketing. So you need to be taking advantage of that. Otherwise you are missing out on potential clients. And hey, that's fine if you want to miss out on them. I'll take them. So man, that is top 3 reasons, man, that you need to be running digital marketing ads, or you need to be working on your digital marketing. And this will not be the only video I make on this, because there are way more reasons than 3. So if you like this kind of video, if you like the value, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man. I want to fill your bags. And again, if you want to work with me, hit that link in the description. And guys, I will catch you in the next one. Take care.